Hey friends, it's Rachel with the Ponds Farmhouse, and today I'm going to be doing another fall DIY with you. And today I'm going to be doing a fall wreath, and I'm going to be using this grapevine wreath here that I've used for several different projects, so it's kind of like a recycled wreath. And I'm going to be using some of these burlap leaves that I have picked up from Dollar Tree. So this is a Dollar Tree wreath that I'm going to be making, and so if you like budget-friendly DIY projects and home decor, then you're in the right place, because that's what I'm all about. And I hope you'll subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So let's get this project started. Okay, the first thing I'm doing is I'm spraying these orange leaves with some white spray paint in order to soften the color. Next, I'm just laying out all the different colored leaves, and I'm adding a little strip of hot glue to the stem of each one. And then I just stick the stem down into the grapevine, and then I'm alternating the colors as I go along, going back and forth, filling in completely until I get all the way around. I'm putting all the leaves in the same direction as I go. And now it is full. Okay, and here I've added the fall leaf wreath to a ceiling tile that hangs above the bed in our guest bedroom. And the reason these colors appeal to me so much is because they are going to work perfectly with the quilt that I found at a yard sale that I have on the bed for fall.